This is DJI Phantom 4, and today I'll show how you can enable, disable, and change the intelligent flight modes in this drone. So at the start, you will need to open the camera feed of the DJI Go app. Next, locate those three buttons at the top right corner of the display, tap on them, then open the first category of settings here, that is MC settings. Scroll down just a little bit and look for the Enable Intelligent Flight Modes toggle. And well, once this toggle is enabled, respectively those intelligent flight modes are also unlocked, so you can switch between them, and if you would like to switch them off, just turn off the toggle. And well, when it comes to switching between those intelligent flight modes, you will find the switcher for them on the remote controller on the physical RC you use. So let me carefully show you where. So here is the switcher. So PCA, so P stands for position in flight mode, S for sport flight mode, and A stands for altitude mode, or, well, hovering mode probably. Anyway, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So thanks for watching, and bye bye.